Okay, I'm not gonna be playing anymore, but this thing is actually phenomenal. This docking station that this brand sent to me for this video, it's really good if you are, for example, working from home. If you wanna take this to the actual office and take it on site to work with a separate laptop and monitors and things like that, you can do it as well. But also for like productivity, editing videos, like multiple screens and things like that, this is phenomenal. Even you can actually take it with you on the go on a trip or something like that. I'll show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds, but the fact that this one is so compact and has so much power, let me show you. Okay, check this out. Before I actually show it to you in action, you're gonna have the actual port for charging, which is a Thunderbolt. You also have the port for connecting a monitor with USB-C. You also have a charging USB-C. You also have the micro SD and SD readers and two USB-A fast charging port, as well as an HDMI port as well. So right now I have a monitor that has an HDMI dongle, so I'm gonna connect it to this with my laptop. So this is how cool this is. You can actually do this. You're gonna put this silicone pads right here so your laptop's not falling. And then you're gonna put the desired actual height. For example, if you're gonna put this, you can put your laptop way up so you can have those meetings kind of like with eye level contact. I'm gonna put it right this. You can see how this one has all the multi-levels right there. I'm gonna extend this. And once you have done that, you're just gonna put your laptop. It's not gonna fall because of the silicone pads. And that's it. That is how cool that docking station is. Let's connect the Thunderbolt right now. And this is how cool it is. You can just have your laptop. You could have a separate screen like I have over there, that it's a vertical monitor, that it has a dongle that connects an HDMI to the docking station. It's a wireless dongle. But this one, you can connect at the same time a mouse, a keyboard, a micro SD reading, SD reading. You can put a dongle on the USB-A, another dongle on the USB-A, having an HDMI monitor as well as having a USB-C monitor at the same time. This thing is phenomenal. And the fact that you can take it with you on the go anywhere, in your purse, your pocket, well, not, I don't know about your pocket, but your backpack, for example, things like that, make it to be phenomenal. I love it and I totally recommend it, especially if you like office space.